Guys, here I am at Big Lots. Let's take a look at what they have here in the makeup area. Okay, there was some nice deals the last time I came. So this gel eyeliner is $2.50, and that is by ColorMates. And let's see, it's paraben free, and that's the brown, and here's the black. Then over here you have the auto eyeliner. That one's $1. Okay, so we'll go through this, guys, because I haven't been here in a while. So felt tip eyeliner, that's $2. And I guess that one is in the black, and this one is in the dark brown. Okay, and then here you have the double eye brow and eyeliner pencil. That's $1 for two. That's not bad. That's good. They're almost comparable to Dollar Tree, guys. So here you have the ColorMates, the two for $1. And I'm just trying to look at the color. So this is the brown black, and this one is also brown black. So here you have a palette, and that is Physicians Formula, and that's $5 for that palette right there. Then look at this palette, guys. Look at those colors. Look at that blue. So these are ColorMates also, and this palette is $1. Guys, look at these palettes. It's $1. That's pretty neat. Okay, so I didn't go that far yet, so let me come down here. So this is a tinted brow gel. Tinted brow gel by ColorMates, $1.80. So then here's the mascara, the volumizing and the lengthening, and those are $1.80 each. Then over here you have the regular mascara in the black, and I don't see a price. Let me see if there's one in the back. I don't see one. And then here's the tinted brow gel in the brunette, and here's another one of those felt tip eyeliners. So now we come back down here to the ColorMate palettes. These are mineral eyeshadows. Those are $2 each, and you have that one, and I'm really liking that one. So here, guys, you have the eyeshadow and the eyeliner pencil and the sharpener, $1.50. These are $2.50 for these eyeshadow palettes. And then this one here is a magnifying spice edition by Rimmel, $4. You see those colors, guys? That's pretty nice. Then here, what is this? This is shimmer. ColorMate shimmer, that's 90 cents. And look at this, the lip liner and the lipstick for 90 cents, guys. Look at that. And look at the colors they have. That one, this one, and this one. I like those. That's an awesome price, 90 cents. This is Revlon, guys, and that's lip powder. Lip powder? I don't think I ever use lip powder. And there's no price on that. Let me see if this one has a price. Look at those colors, guys. I love $2. So these are $2, guys. You have this kind, and then you have this color. Let me see if they have it. Yeah, those are the only two colors. So then if we come over here, guys, you have the ColorMates, and this is shimmer. Okay, this is a multi-cream stick for $1.20. Okay, they have it in that color. They have these colors right here. Then they have the blush with the brush, and those are $1, guys, and that's by ColorMates. So you have that color back there, this one, and this one. So then these, guys, are concealers for $1.80. I'm not sure that's like the Best Buy, okay, but they only have, so they have those. Actually, those are the same color. And then this one here, look at that, the concealer stick and the pressed powder. Let me see if I'm reading that right. The concealer powder and the concealer stick and the pressed powder, concealer powder for $1.50. That's the nice buy. Then in here you have all these lipsticks, guys. I can't even move that. So you have this color here, and I think this is ColorMates. It just says Revlon, but still Revlon. So $2. Look at that color. So that's coral. And then this one here looks like a coral, and this is like a brown. They're $2 a piece, and they're Revlon. So you got a bunch of those in there. And then over here you have this chapstick Total Hydration for $3. Then if we come over here, guys, look at this. So here you have this Candid for $3.50. and you have them in multiple shades. I'm pretty sure this is just excess makeup for $3.50, guys, and they're all in this bin. Some of them are lip glosses, okay, which is pretty neat. Like this is NYX. Wow, NYX. That one doesn't have a price. Let me see if I find another one. So this one here is $2, and that's Color Magic. This one is Revlon. So guys, these are all mixed in. Some of them are Revlon, but I mean that one is NYX. Let's see if I find another one, see how much those are. You guys have to, if you have a Big Lots near you, guys, a lot of this stuff is reduced. This is $1.47 for this lip gloss. And then they even have shadow palettes, Revlon, in there. And these $2. And then look at this. This is Revlon. It's an ultra matte lip color for $2.50, but I think, yeah, it was reduced from $2.80. And then here it's $1.50, and that's CoverGirl. So you got a whole bunch of those, guys. Look at these. I saw these the last time I was here. Okay, so you have your bronzer. Okay, and I don't see a price on the bronzer, so you only have those. You only have that. Then you have this Ecos Vanilla Mint. Then you have these they look like lattes, guys. They're lip balm. So this one here is caramel latte, and then this one is hot cocoa. This one here is peppermint mocha. They are so cute. And here's the Laffy Taffy. Okay, then over here for $2, here is the lip powder, and then here's the Almay Instant Glow for $2.75. So then here is the CoverGirl. Well, right here you have the CoverGirl Cheekers. What is that? The Cheekers for $1, guys. And you have them in these colors. And then you have this one here. These are $1. I'm not sure what that is. Well, they're eyeshadow palettes. So some of them are $2.20. These are $1. This Almay products over here, those are $3.50, and these over here are $2.75. And I believe that's what, a concealer? Take Pinky. I'm not sure, guys. It looks like it could be like a foundation stick. Okay, or a concealer. And then you have these super eyebrows. Okay, and that is Bestest Black. That's $3. And here's the Revlon Vinyl Eyeliner. I don't think I ever heard of vinyl eyeliner, but there it is, and there's no price. So then here's another palette for $7. Who makes that? That's Maybelline. So you have that shadow palette right there, guys, for $7.95. And then here is the Revlon. And then here's the soft lips. Then you have these palettes right here, guys. Look how beautiful this one is. So these palettes, guys, are $6. So let me show you. You have that one and that one. Okay, look at this one. This one is so beautiful. Then you have this menthol medicated lip balm. And I showed you these. And then if we come over here, you have Almay Get Up Grow. Okay, and then you have some Almay eyeliner, Rimmel. They have a whole bunch of name brand stuff in here for less than you would get it even at in a different store, guys. Then you have $1.50 for this. I'm not sure. What are these? Are these for the eyes? Yes. And then here is the brow. It says Really Real Brows. Okay, that's $3.25. And here's some more palettes, guys. And that's $2.80. And then over here you have the chapstick, and that's $1.20. And the Vaseline, no, the chapstick is $70. And then the Vaseline, $1.20. And here's the Blistex for $2.50. That's pretty neat. And this is GNP. What is that? Tweezers. Okay, these are tweezers, and I don't see a price. So here is the liquid liner, and here is the Revlon Skinny. Wow, look at this section. So you get 3 chapsticks for $2 over here. Then you have the nail clippers for $2.50. And look at this, the Curex hydrating cuticle oil. Let me see, what is the price? That one doesn't have a price. This is $8 for Physicians Formula. Oh, this is a pressed powder. Okay, and then down here you have some more pressed powder. Here's some more Revlon cheek makers for $3.50. Okay, so that's really nice. And then here, guys, are your nail polishes, aren't they? These are so nice. So I'm in need of some files, and I can't find the kind of files I want. But anyway, this is a foot file, and they're $1.50 here. Then you have the ones with the stones and the brush. Then you have this one. They have these at Dollar Tree too. I just saw them for $1. They have 4 different sizes. This is what they look like. They're nail buffers. Then you have these. Okay, and there you have some nail strengthener. And here are your brushes. Now these brushes, guys, if you can get them at the Dollar Tree, they're $1. I haven't seen them lately, but sometimes they come back. So you have your big bags of the cotton balls, and you have your blender brushes and your elf brushes. Your elf brushes range from $2 to $3. These brushes over here range $4 to $2.20, $2.50. Here's your cotton swabs, and those are $1.95. And you have your Q-tips, and over here your moisturizers and your creams. Guys, thank you for coming with me to Big Lots just to take a quick look at their makeup, and I will see you guys in the next video.